Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how can you unblock someone in Bereal. So at first, go into the Bereal app. Now into the Bereal app, click on the top right your profile icon. Now again, click on the top right the three dot icon. Now here you can see into the settings option, click on the second one here, privacy. Now here you can see the first option is blocked users, click on it. Now here you can see all of your blocked users here, just click on the right cross option here and click on confirm to unblock this user. By this you can just unblock someone on Bereal. So guys, that's how you can unblock someone on Bereal. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.